Welcome to my channel. If you want to know how to create a meeting room reservation system using Google Forms and spreadsheets, you can watch my last video to create the form and the spreadsheet. This video will teach you how to beautify and quickly create schedules for other rooms. Okay, let's go back to the schedule we made in the last video. Here you can freely paint the title with your favorite color. Now let's highlight the appointment details in a different color. Let's first select the data in rows 3 to 11. And then format here. He presupposes that there is content and will make colored hints. So let's pick a similar color first. And then the range is to prompt the column after column B. I'll make the font bold of my schedule. Done. Okay, the next step is to do the color hints on Saturdays and Sundays. The same range is selected from rows 3 to 11. Then, let's add a rule here. It's the same, change column A to column B. Here we choose this one. Then the formula I use is weekdays. Then you have to give it information to see what day of the week it is. The data for that date is in the first or second row. Then, the data should be locked to avoid bringing in the wrong information. The second part is to see if you want to treat Sunday or Monday as the first day of the week. If you don't fill in the second part, it will make Sunday the first day of the week and returns the value 1. If you enter 2 in the second part, it will make Monday the first day of the week, and make Saturday and Sunday return values 6 and 7. For the following settings, I would enter 2 here. So now, can set the condition that if the value is greater than 5, which means that Saturdays and Sundays will be marked with this color. I want to use light yellow here. Then how do we quickly make meeting rooms B and C? Let's duplicate sheets of room A first, and copy as many rooms as you have. Let's first create a schedule for room B. Now you can press Ctrl+H to open the window of Find and replace the contents of the formula. In other words, the conditions of room A are changed to room B. It doesn't matter if it's capitalized. Then let's just replace it for this sheet. Then you have to choose the formula and press Replace All. Then when it shows how much content has been replaced, you can press Done. This naturally becomes the information of room B. Next, use the same method to set up room C. Then 3 rooms are all set. Then I would suggest coloring the meeting room. This will help you more quickly identify which conference room you are looking at. The reservation system is all finished here. If you want to view the reservation status of all rooms for a specific date at once, check out my next video. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe and ring the bell for notifications.